everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and hope you all are resonating with the readings. I hope you all are there in my WhatsApp groups, because nowadays in my WhatsApp groups I have started bringing in more discounted energy exchange for exclusively for my group members, because whatever we put in social media we give just for our students and followers, our workshops at a little more lesser energy exchange. So if you are not a part of my WhatsApp groups, then you can WhatsApp me at 917-623-1990 to be added to our respective WhatsApp groups. And coming to the reading, today I feel if you can do Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times. Now when you're doing this, I would suggest keep a glass of milk and keep some bananas in front of Ganpati. And if you don't have Ganpati's photo, whatever god goddess you have at home, just keep the bananas and some milk and chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times, seeking the blessings of Lord Ganesha and seeking his blessings to remove all obstacles from your life. Today I feel the color should be yellow. Some of you need to work on your solar plexus, so the color has to be yellow. But let's just see what is coming in reading, what is Ganesha saying is in store in your cards today. So the first card which has come is perseverance. Can you see this? It is more like his tusk, and this tusk, when I'm seeing this tusk, I feel with perseverance, with patience, you will be able to achieve what you desire. And Lord Ganesha has kept a lot of blessings for you in his tusk, which he is going to give you. So just have a little more patience, hang on a little more over there, and he is going to bless you. Now when I was taking out the card, one more card had fallen on his own, so I'm going to take that only as a reading fulfillment. So if you're going to be patient and if you're going to have the perseverance, your wishes will get fulfilled. And today overall a day is a day where you will feel fulfilled. You will feel as if the way you planned your day, that is how the day is going. The way you wanted things to fall in place, the same way the things are falling in place. So overall I would say Ganesha is there to bless you abundantly, and Ganesha is there to tell you that with patience and with faith, whatever you desire, you will get it as an outcome. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.